Different cultures have their own unique tricks and hacks to address various skin problems. Get ready to explore 5 amazing techniques from around the world that can help you fight those pesky skin issues. So welcome back to this series. As we journey through the Mediterranean, we stumble upon a remedy that's perfect for puffy eyes and dark circles: cucumber. This cooling and astringent ingredient works wonders in reducing puffiness and lightening the skin around the eyes. Simply slice a chilled cucumber and place the slices over your closed eyelids. Allow them to work their magic for 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Cucumber can also be grated or blended into a paste and used as an overall face mask for a cooling and soothing effect. Repeat this remedy daily or as needed to give your eyes and skin a little TLC. For those who don't have fresh cucumbers, you can also use cucumber juice or cucumber-infused skincare products to enjoy its benefits. Our Middle Eastern remedy for irritated or sensitive skin comes in the form of rose water. This floral water has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that work wonders in calming and balancing the skin's pH level. You can either spray rose water onto your face as a refreshing mist or apply it using a cotton pad, gently patting it into the skin. Rose water can also be used as an ingredient in DIY face masks or mixed with other skincare products to enhance their soothing properties. Incorporate this into your daily routine, both morning and night, to experience its calming effects and promote a healthy complexion. Look for pure, organic rose water from reputable brands to ensure its quality and effectiveness. Let's head back to North America, where we find a fantastic remedy for itchy or irritated skin: oatmeal. This humble ingredient contains avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory properties and help soothe itching and irritation. Grind oatmeal into a fine powder using a blender or food processor, and mix it with water to create a paste. The easiest way to grind oatmeal at home is by placing it in a clean coffee grinder or using a mortar and pestle. Apply the paste to the affected areas and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. The gentle texture of oatmeal provides a mild exfoliation while delivering its soothing benefits. Rinse it off with cool water, and you can use this soothing treatment as needed to calm your skin and provide relief from itchiness. Look for plain, unsweetened oats to ensure the best results. Last but not least, we arrive in the Mediterranean again to explore the wonders of olive oil. This kitchen staple is an excellent remedy for dry or rough skin. Packed with nourishing fatty acids and antioxidants, olive oil moisturizes, nourishes, and protects the skin's barrier. Simply apply a small amount of extra virgin olive oil to your body or face and gently massage it in until absorbed. Olive oil can also be combined with other natural ingredients like honey or sugar to create a DIY body scrub for gentle exfoliation. Make it a part of your daily routine to enjoy its hydrating benefits and achieve a soft and supple complexion. Look for cold-pressed, high-quality olive oil for the best results. And here's an additional 5th point. Now, let's take a trip to India and explore the benefits of sandalwood. This fragrant wood is not only used in spiritual rituals but also possesses skincare benefits. Sandalwood has soothing, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic remedy for acne-prone or irritated skin. You can create a sandalwood paste by mixing sandalwood powder with a few drops of water or rose water. Apply the paste to the affected areas and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Regular use of sandalwood can help reduce inflammation, calm breakouts, and promote a clearer complexion. Look for authentic, sustainably sourced sandalwood powder for the best results. Please note that these remedies have been traditionally used and have anecdotal evidence of their effectiveness, but individual results may vary. If you have any pre-existing skin conditions or allergies, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist before trying any new remedies.